Want a solution to manage address book files or convert them into another file format? Introducing GainTools Address Book Manager tool. It has an advanced batch processing feature for vCard files. It can merge multiple vCard contacts into a single VCF file. Easily split VCF files into multiple contacts files. It smartly exports contacts from Lotus Notes NSF file to VCF file format. It safely extracts contacts from OST, PST, and MSG to VCF format. Users can import vCard contacts to multiple file formats such as PST, MSG, NSF, and CSV. You can convert contacts from CSV or Excel to vCard format safely. It gives freedom to save exported files at a suitable location. Free version is available on the official website. Supported and works on all Windows version, 32-bit and 64-bit. It supports multiple non-English languages including Korean, Japanese, Chinese, etc. For any query, contact us.